Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to set up gamification feature in Salesforce. Okay, if somebody want to set up that gamification badges to their customers, right? I'll step by step process explain that how to enable that gamification feature for community users and how that particular badge will be visible to their particular users. Okay, let's see for one by one steps we'll go through that. See, let's say if you have that daywork, right, just open your daywork and there is a setup. If you click the setup, then it will be the quick find. In this quick find, you should find that all sites community, right? All sites. Okay, if you find the asset, it's going to open digital experiences. Once you open this digital experience, you'll find the workspace and the builder. Builder is basically you need to add that particular. Once you enable that gamification, you can add that particular where that particular patient or any customers to visible that particular badges or the leaderboard. Now I'll just explain that way to the. If you click that workspace, right, it will take it to the. Let me click the workspace. It will take it to the all the features of that administrative and everything. In my workspaces, what are the things need to be configured? There is a Salesforce is given as a gamification for to enable this badges to the customers. Okay, when you click this gamification, it will take it to this. It will be this particular settings will become once you enable this setting, then only gamification will be on. But before enabling this in setup, there is one condition. You should go to WDC settings. Okay, in this setting, if you see this, if you turn on this thanks, then only we can give a thanks or any other badge to the particular. You can enable this particular thanks setting, thank or gamification feature in the community users. Okay, once you click this enable of this, and if you click save, okay, if it is saved, then if you go and refresh this particular page, let me refresh it. Okay, once it's refreshed it, let's see this is as of now nothing was there below. It's just need to click on enable. Once it's enabled, after refreshing it will show couple of options. Okay, by default Salesforce is giving couple of badges. If you can make use that, you can organization, you can make use of this welcome, congratulations, nice work, thanks. But still you can edit that particular, badges as well. There is a edit and delete options also available. But still, if you guys need to create anything new, just go ahead and create what is a bad name, description of that, and upload that image, and what is the format they given it actually. Okay, the same format you guys can give that, upload that, and click save it. Once you save that record, it will be available for public. Active, it should be inactive and it should be available for public, so that you can able to assign to the your your customers. Okay, so let's say there is a welcome, congratulations, nice work, thanks. These are all things are now it's enabled. Now if you go to the builder, if you just refresh it, let's say I'll go to all site. Okay, one more feature is, let's say I can able to now as an admin, I can able to create it. Now you can restrict it who can able to create the badge as well. Okay, to enable this, but as of now it is not required, it's not much important as well. But to enable this particular feature, it's just only the thanks enable is enough. Okay, let's click on all sites. Once you click on all sites, right, now there is a two portal I have created it. In that there is a clicking on my customer portal. If you click my customer portal, right, it will take it to see it. Once you click this, your community power, the builder will be opened. Once this builder is open, this is my customer portal. In this, let's say there is, if you go to the components, if you see the gamification, there is a recognition badges and reputation badges. These are all Salesforce standard, right? We enable the standard features so that they given the two things, recognition badges and reputation leaderboard. This reputation leaderboard is going to show that all the points, how much points you are earned it, and what is the criteria to assign that badges. Everything will show you that how this reputation leaderboard is going to calculate it. And recognition badges, let's say I drag and drop it to here. If you see, let me drag and drop it once again. Let's say I have drag and drop it here. Okay, see this record ID to whom you are assigning this particular badges, and the recognition badge is the title. It will be visible wherever you're going to show this particular page, and it will be give. You can, if you give this particular button as a give, right, so that it will have that give button here. Okay, so that there will have a give button will be here, so that when you click that give, it will show that to whom you need to assign. You can only assign this particular couple of badges to that, but to couple of users as well. Okay, and leaderboard also you can able to drag and drop it, but as of now it is not required. You can publish that particular port community. Okay, once you publish it, if you open it any of your this thing, it should be visible here, but as of now it's not it's my training arc, so that I don't have anything actually to show it actually, because there is a script is available to assigning it. Okay, there is a work thanks and work badge. Okay, you need to create a work thanks, then after the source id, once you get a work thanks id, then you need to assign to work badge. In the work badge you should assign to that specific user, so that you should pass this particular let's say if you go to the gamification feature, right, see this particular will be right, this will be badge received. Okay, there'll be have a work thanks records will be there. In that work thanks record you should assign this particular one of the badge to, you can assign this particular to one of the user, that will be created as a work badge. Okay, if you can see that where that object will be there, you can see only that object in the classic view, where you can see there are badge, there is badge record and there is badge received. Okay, to make sure that whatever you're creating in the community, right, this particular, it will not be visible in the here in the badge tab. Okay, in the classic, to make sure that lightning wave this is not available, only badge and badge receipts are available only in the classic. Okay, you can customize as well, you can create your own badges here as well, and but you can create a custom layout there, and you can drag and drop it to your community. Okay, that is also you can do it. But one more thing is there, it's a reputation level. I'll show you that how to enable the leaderboard and reputation points, and I'll have to give and automatically assign that particular, let's say once the points is reached to specific points, the automatically points one of the bad need to be assigned, right? Let's say he has to go to the feature of administrative, and there is a I think preferences. Yeah, there is a preferences, and there is a, if you can see that enable the reputation level points, see that enable setup and display of reputation levels is there, right? So we should enable this. Once you enable this, there is a reputation level will be available. I'll just show you that. Yeah, I'll just click this reputation level points. Okay, there is reputation level points is available, exclude the country, this is not required towards the reputation points, but I'll just refresh this. Okay, just enable set display reputation level, and I'll just click save. Okay, once you say, if you see this, there is a reputation level and reputation points. In this reputation level, see what level after reaching, let's say for level 1, after reaching level 1, 50 points level 1 badge will be assigned. After reaching 150, there is a level 2 will be assigned. After reaching 400, level 3. How these points will be calculated based on the reputation points. This, write a post, let's say for your, write a comment, let's say your customer is, or one of the user is writing one comment to the one of the user, or to the your customer care or something, right? It will be keep on adding your points. Receive a comment and like something, and he's liking something on your videos or something, right? After liking 5 likes, then you receive one of the badge. So that whatever the point level you are giving, that points repeatedly, once you reach this particular points, automatically assign this badge to that particular role. These are all Salesforce standard behavior. Okay, so these are all, you cannot customize this. You wanted to purely customize, you need to assign specific points to, once they reached based on some work, he was based on work he was completed, based on that you should do a customization. The customization will be easier thing, and I can, in the next video I can able to show that what is that particular script you can able to use that particularly assign this particular badge to specific user, and in the how we can able to customize that badge and badge received objects and all, and we can able to create one custom component, and we can able to assign that as well. Okay, that I can detailedly show it in the next step. Okay, before that I can up to now whatever I explained, right, that is only basically for the standard features whatever the Salesforce is given now, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe that my channel. Don't forget that. Thank you.